Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mustansir Yaqub and I am English language and IELTS trainer from Lahore, Pakistan. In IELTS speaking, you know what is actually examined in your English language. It's not about that you can speak English. It is that how well you can speak English. I'm going to tell you there are two things they are observed in your IELTS speaking. The very first thing is your confidence. So when you talk or you speak English with confidence, it gives a good impression on the examiner. So this is very important thing that you should speak or you must speak English with confidence. Confidence can come only with the knowledge. If you have sound knowledge about English language, then you will speak English with confidence. So you must improve your English to this limit that you speak English with confidence and you show your very good ability on this language. And of course, the confidence can only come with speaking English. You should be very used to speak English language. If you go just for IELTS speaking without that practice, then definitely you will not be speaking there with fluency, or maybe you will be making some kind of grammar mistakes. So you have to first practice English language as much as possible. And the second thing is the creativity. When you speak, you should have ideas, thoughts and different opinions. It's not very simple that you give your very short and limited answers. You have to give complete answers and with some sort of excitement, that it's not kind of a interview they are taking for your job. They are examining your English language. So the confidence with creativity in your English language will help you to get your expected band in IELTS speaking. This shows also that you can not only speak English for this IELTS speaking test, you have got good command on English language. So I'll come again and give you some more tips about IELTS in my upcoming videos. I also teach English language and IELTS online. If you wish to join my online classes, so please contact me on this given number. I wish you all the best and see you very soon again with some another tip on IELTS. Take care. Allah Hafiz.